Yes, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Um, this morning I come to talk about the Jamaica young police, Mr. Porter, because I see a video with Jamaican police assassinate a youth. 3 police assassinate a youth. See? And Mr. Porter remarks is him support the police officer in what they doing. Now, the police officer falsify information about the killing until the video was revealed. You know, may I say, and people see everything what took place. So my thing is, you keep on saying you try to get rid of the corruption in Jamaica, right? And the crime and violence, and you try to get rid of the gunman. All of that is cool. And I keep on telling you, in all of my video that I do, I keep on stressing it. Yes, that's cool. But the main problem in Jamaica, seeing, is not the gunman them. It is never the gunman them. It is always the police and the politician them. And me know me keep on saying that I sound like a broken record. But until the world start pay attention and Jamaica start open up them ears and listen and pay attention, then this thing, the problem that we have in the island, will get solved or resolved quick and fast. Because there's no way you, Mr. Porter, right, as a journalist right now, because you was an ex-cop that turned journalist right now, because you have a platform, and you are going to tell the world that you support a police killing of an unarmed individual who them caught, who them could have bring in, because the videos show you that them caught the youth, and the youth wasn't fighting them, right? He wasn't resisting anything like that. He wasn't shooting at them. So they wasn't in no form of danger. What was the reason for them to kill him? You know what I say? And a time for them thing to change Jamaica, because everywhere else in the world, you know what I say, people get apprehended by the cops. They get bring in and then get to go to court and get tried by your peers. But not in Jamaica. And them something that foolish, because a whole heap of youth die innocently. I say them not commit crime and them on a gunman and them on a weight name them, but even though they still have a right. I may understand say people in Jamaica tired. They are tired of criminals and the crimes that they are committing within the island. Me get it. I totally get it. We all need to get rid of these criminals. Yes, that's a fact. But the main thing is, there will always be criminal in the island when you have corrupted policemen and politicians who keep on practicing these practice of unlawful, you know what I say, eradication of innocent citizens. Because if a man is not firing at you, even though you might catch him with a weapon, if he not point the weapon at you to cause bodily harm, you should not be executing him. Your job is to take him in and prosecute this man in court. You know what I say? Send him to a prison so he can get rehabilitated, so he can come back out, because everybody deserves a second chance. Now, me can see if him turn the gun pan you now and start fire. You have all right to do what you do. And this is the kind of behavior you want to support, Mr. Porter. Jamaica Young Police, you's a fraud. I'm a been know that. You see me? Because you once come pan this and talk say you was gonna kill a family member of mine because a man pay you for do it and your sergeant get wind of where the man tell you for do. See? And the sergeant come and talk to you and tell you, say, any him here say, yeah, par with a boy there. One way am I going to do? And that was the only reason why you never carry out the procedure. So, you is definitely a police, a corrupted police that wasn't on a leash in Jamaica when you was a police. You know what I say? It looked like the sergeant was the only man that could attack you because he was above you. So, you supporting this kind of behavior, you know what I say, it's not a surprise to me or anybody. Well, maybe to people when never know you. So now them start see the real side of you. You know what I say? And a time for we start get rid of all of these things in Jamaica. The corruption start within the government and the police force. You see me? A whole heap of innocent youth them kill off of Jamaica. Time pan time pan top of time. Year pan top of year pan top of years. And this are going on for the last 40, 50, 60 years. From the government them bringing politics in Jamaica, this been going on. First of all, the law in Jamaica is shoot first and ask question after. That's the law within Jamaica for the last 60 years. So you know much innocent people are youth them kill and get away with it. And first of all, you cannot even sue the government in Jamaica or the police force, because if you do, they will kill you. And that's a fact, because if you don't believe me, go check the Rasta man with them crashing in him car and the man sue them. What did them do to him? They murder him and his wife have to end up running, go back to China or Korea or which one of them country they should come from, because them keep on threatening her, say them are going to kill her too. And all of this was caught on tape. And none of them police there went to prison for that. And these things has been going on in Jamaica for years, and the government been backing these things. And these are the things that you want to support, Mr. Porter. As a man with up on the internet and up on YouTube and a vlog, you want to support innocent killing. Huh? You better be careful, because you live in America. Just remember that. You might be a soldier, whatever, but remember, in America, everybody's a soldier. Please like, share, subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend.